Hello everyone and welcome on this new Friday analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. I hope you guys have traded the late week signals which I have sent you last Wednesday. As you can see, almost all of them have hit the take profit level. EURUSD has reversed exactly from the given level at 1.00669 and it hit the take profit level, making about 100 pips of profit. Pound USD has reversed and hit the take profit level in just few hours after posting the video, making 160 pips of profit. AUDUSD has also hit the take profit level. It reversed exactly from 0.65209 and it went in about 134 pips of profit. USDCAD has also reversed from the given level and went in about 130 pips of profit. Of course, the USDJPY, as we can see, it has failed due to the core CPI news. Same goes to the USDCHF. It went in about 52 pips before failing, of course, because of the core CPI news as well. And same goes to the gold. The gold was running in total of about 100 pips before the core CPI news hit the market and, of course, changed the direction. So in general, it was excellent signals. I hope you guys have taken them and made some decent profit. But now what's next? What about Friday? Let me just tell you my analysis about Friday actually. So let me now delete the old signal and let's now begin with the Euro USD. So right here, my friends, since we are actually aiming to trade only one single day, what is the single day is gonna be? In my opinion right now, the market today is going to retest the broken level of a resistance right here at exactly right here at 1.00964. The market is going to continue the fall till it reaches that level of a strong key support level, and after that it's going to continue the rise at least to reach that resistance level which has been created right here at 1.02150. Now that indicates that for today Friday we are going to aim shorting the EURUSD and aiming about 95 pips. But the question is where exactly we can start shorting the pair. The answer lies on the previous resistance right here exactly at 1.01869. As you can see, my friends, on the daily chart, this was actually a previous resistance. It was a real level of a resistance in the past and also right here. And right now we can see that the market has created here a fake breakout, which means shorting right here is going to be a good idea. But let's now move to the 30-minute time frame. Of course, we have to consider the 30-minute time frame since we are actually aiming just one single day of trading. So right now we can see the new candle has appeared. Now, in my opinion, this candle is going to continue the rise till it reaches the resistance level at 1.01856. That's exactly, my friends, where we can start shorting the market after it rises for about 18 pips. And the take profit level is going to be placed just right here at the nearest support to that entry, which means we are aiming approximately 76 pips profit from the signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone is going to be ranging till the highest level of the resistance at 1.02211. That's everything for the EURUSD. Moving now to the Pound USD. Guys, we have to go fast because the new candle has opened and right now we have to continue analyzing and let's see now what we can do about the Pound USD. So for the Pound USD, my friends, it's very similar to the EURUSD. As you can see right here on the daily chart, the market has reversed exactly at that given level of a resistance, exactly right here at 1.17110. And today, the market is most likely going to continue the fall till it reaches that support level right here, exactly the support at 1.15035. Keep in mind that we're having here a resistance trend line just like that. And the market seems like it's going to continue the fall to retest that broken level of a resistance trend line, and then it's going to create a new support trend line. So meaning for today Friday, we are going to short the Pound USD till it reaches that level. So the take profit level has been settled. Now moving to the 1 hour time frame, actually 30-minute time frame, to identify where exactly we can start shorting the pair. Actually, we're having here a very strong resistance level exactly right here at 1.16864. Now the market is actually facing a support zone right here, which means we can actually witness a pullback and the market might reach that level. And if it reverses from that point, it's going to be a good confirmation to start shorting the Pound USD. Because on the 30-minute time frame, if the market moves like that, we will end up with a head and shoulders pattern, which indicates that we can keep the trade running till it reaches indeed the take profit level. So that being said, let me now please write the signal for you. Moving now to the AUDUSD. Alright, so for the AUDUSD, my friends, we are having also a very similar situation or scenario to the EURUSD and the POUND-USD. Right now we are having here a real level of a resistance exactly right here at 0.65212. And it seems to me like the AUDUSD still has about 66 pips more to go till it reaches that level of a broken level of a resistance. Also keep in mind that we also had right here a broken level of a resistance trend line just like that. And it seems to me like the AUDUSD is also going toward that level of a broken resistance trend line to create also a new support trend line. So that means we can actually consider buying the AUDUSD exactly at the previous level of a resistance right here. The question is, yeah, of course. Sorry, I get confused about that. I thought this is the 30-minute time frame, and I thought we have to wait for the market to reach this level to start buying. Anyway, we are going to start, of course, shorting the AUDUSD. The question is where exactly we can start shorting the pair. Moving to the 30-minute time frame. The reason I'm moving to the 30-minute time frame is, of course, the market right now, my friends, is moving slow, and also today these signals are aiming only one single day, so we don't really need to move to the daily or 4-hour time frame. Since we are actually aiming one single day, then aiming the 30-minute time frame is going to be convenient. Now check this out. Right here, my friends, we are having this level of a resistance. We are not considering this level of a resistance. It's a fake breakout. Therefore, this was actually the real level of a resistance at 0.66021. So meaning we have to wait for the AUDUSD to rise for about 14 pips before we can start shorting it, and the safe zone is going to be ranging just a little bit above the highest level of a resistance right here at 0.66403, and the target, my friends, is going to be right here for about 80 pips. Moving now to the USDCAD. Guys, I'm moving really fast because I don't want you guys to miss these signals. I believe they're going to be very profitable, hopefully, of course. I'm not pretending to be able to read the market every single day, but at least I'm doing the best I can, and hopefully it's gonna end up as a very profitable week. Anyway, now moving to the USDCAD. So for the USDCAD, my friends, we're having here a broken level of a resistance, which has already become a new support. Now we can actually consider buying the USDCAD. And as we can see right here, also for the USDCAD, we are having a broken level of a support trend line, and we can consider buying the USDCAD till it reaches that level of a broken level of a support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. Of course, just vice versa for the other pairs, which means USDCAD still has about 87 pips more to go. The question is where exactly we can start buying the pair. Moving now to the 30-minute time frame. Now pay attention. Right here, we have a support level, a key support level, which has already, this was the key support level, it has already become a new support right here. And that price action also right here, my friends, indicates for a bullish reversal. So now the question is, can we start buying exactly right here? Well, let's give it a deeper analysis. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Now in the 5-minute time frame, what we can see right here is that resistance trend line, and we're having here a broken level of a resistance trend line, and this was the bullish breakout candle from that level of a resistance trend line. So meaning waiting for the USDCAD to reach that level again. First of all, it's going to be respecting that level of the key support level as at one point 430. And of course, we can see that the market has respected that level repeatedly, which means waiting for the market to reach that level is going to be convenient, and also is going to be creating the new support trend line after the bullish breakout from that level. So this is going to be the new support trend line. So therefore, buying here is going to be good. And of course, the take profit level, it doesn't have to be right here exactly at that level of a resistance. We can keep the trade running till the market reaches that level of a resistance right here at 1.34007. So meaning we are going to be aiming approximately 67 pips profit from the signal, and the safe zone that ranges just a little bit than the lowest level of a support at 1.33013, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 31 pips. Moving now to the USDJPY. Okay, so of course, guys, the USDJPY signal failed just because due to the core CPI news. Otherwise, the market indeed was going in the right direction. USDJPY signal was indeed running in profit for about 92 pips before reversing, and then Thursday afternoon, the core CPI news hit the market. So anyway, what can we expect today with the USDJPY? Now, if we look carefully, my friends, the market is making a correction. USDJPY has reversed exactly at that level of a support at 140.380. And we can see the strong pressure from that support right here. If I just zoom out right here, if I go back to the daily chart, check this out. This was, my friends, the strongest level of a support, as we can see, and the market has faced a pressure breaking out from that level of a support, which means USDJPY right now is actually making a correction and most likely is going to continue the rise till it reaches that level of a previous support. So that means that we can actually consider buying the USDJPY for today. Now, moving to the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see the power here of the pattern. We are having actually here what we can call inverted head and shoulders. So meaning the USDJPY is indeed going to continue the rise, but the question is, can we start buying right here? I think it's already wasted. We cannot actually buy right here. I think the market is indeed going to continue the rise from that level of a previous resistance. So I don't think that the USDJPY have enough liquidity to continue the fall to reach that level of a previous support. So therefore, buying right here exactly at that broken level of a resistance at 140.080 is going to be actually more convenient in my opinion and going to provide us better entry. Also, we are having here a resistance trend line just like that. And therefore, we can expect from the market to continue the fall till it retests that level of a broken level of a resistance trend line to create, of course, the new support trend line. And afterwards, it's going to continue the rise. So that being said, USDJPY signal is going to be just like this. The safe zone is going to be ranging just till the lowest level of a real support right here. However, for the take profit level, it's going to be, let me just go to the 15-minute time frame. Yes, exactly. This is indeed, my friends, a resistance right here, even though it's just 2 weeks. However, that's going to be our target. And we can expect from the USDJPY to continue the rise till it reaches 143.876, which means we can expect about 180 pips of profit against 73 pips of the safe zone. Moving now to the USDCHF. Alright, so for the USDCHF, again, guys, it was running in about 54 pips of profit before reversing again due to the core CPI news, which hit the USD market, the USD pair yesterday. Anyway, what can we expect today with the USDCHF? Well, let me just now here delete the signal, and let me just now move to the daily chart. Now, on the daily chart, my friends, we can see that the market has already begun to create a bullish, engulfing bullish candle. Right here, my friends, we can see that the market has also formed a support level exactly right here at 0.96243, and the USDCHF has reversed exactly on that level. Now, what we can notice right here for the USDCHF is the broken level of a support trend line. That level of a support trend line. Now, this was actually Fibonacci 61.4, as we can see, 61.8, sorry. 61.8, and the market has indeed started the reversal upon the pressure from the strength of retracement 61.8. That means that the USDCHF is most likely going to continue the rise, at least to reach the Fibonacci retracement 50. So therefore, we have actually identified the take profit level, just like that. Guys, let me just tell you something. There is much deeper than that to identifying the take profit level and the buy orders, but I just want to make the video short so you can guys catch most of these signals. I'm actually making some votes on the free channel to find out who have entered the free signals, and it's really sad to see that the majority of them have actually missed the signal they really wanted to enter, but they have missed it. So therefore, let me just make sure that hopefully this time it's gonna be achievable to everyone. So anyway, right now I have moved back to the 30-minute time frame for the USDCHF, and as we can see right here, my friends, exactly right here at 0.96589, this was a strong key support level, which has become also a resistance right here, and now the USDCHF is going to continue the fall till it reaches that level of a previous support, and after that it's going to continue the rise till it reaches Fibonacci 50 retracement at 0.97595, which means we are aiming approximately 100 pips profit from this signal against just the safe zone is going to be just a little bit below that level of a support right here, which means it's going to be for about 42 pips. Moving now to the gold. Alright, so for the gold, my friends, let me now delete the old signal. Again, of course, it has failed due to the core CPI news. I'm not, of course, blaming someone else, but I'm just telling the facts. This is exactly what happened. It was running indeed in profit before the core CPI news hit the market. That is exactly what happened. I didn't blame anyone for it. Anyway, now for the gold, my friends, as you can see, the market is actually facing a resistance zone right here at 1757.74. Now we can see the rejection happened, and in my opinion, the gold is indeed going to continue the fall till it reaches that level of a support right here at 1721.30. That's going to be our take profit level, and most likely, I think, yes, exactly 1731.37. However, what we can do next for the gold is going to continue shorting the pair. I have no doubt actually that the gold is going to continue the fall. If it failed, then it just failed. The market will just move the way it wants. Now moving to the 30-minute time frame again. Now you might think that I will tell you to start shorting the gold exactly at that level of a resistance, and guess what? You're right. We are going to start shorting the gold exactly at 1753.05. We just have to wait for the gold to rise for about 50 pips more before we can start shorting it. Again, if that happens and if the market has reversed from that level of the resistance, oh boy, that's gonna be good news, because we will have the head and shoulders pattern has been completed, and therefore we can open the trade indeed somewhere here and keep the trade running till it reaches that level of a previous support at 1731.37. So let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes the signal, my friends, for today, Friday, for the USD pairs and for the gold. Guys, again, please keep in mind that there is no way on earth that we can predict the market correctly every single time. I'm very happy and proud of the results of this week. It was really profitable for everyone, regardless if you are a premium member or a YouTube follower. You indeed have made profit with the Xtreme Trader signals this week. However, I can never promise any profits. I can never guarantee any profits at all. I cannot, of course, guarantee these signals. They are all subjective to be failed any moment. Check this out. The EURUSD has already been triggered. Oh my God. USD signal is already active, guys. Anyway, let me now please pause the video and let's end it with it. Guys, I just wish you a happy weekend. And in the end, I hope that it's informative to you. And I would like to thank you for watching.